Hey, it's Dave here from Extratech Gaming, and today I'm unboxing the Logitech G203 gaming mouse. I will also be reviewing the mouse without splitting the clip because I have run out of all the trials of every single piece of video editing software. Let's see, without actually using the peripheral, I'm gonna say that it does some things really well, a few things not so great, but overall a high value product. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and send the URL of this video via text message to your friends and family, to everyone in your contacts, and find more details and an exclusive gallery of this product at extratone.com/tech. Thank you.